Hey, what's going on, guys? Here we are again with another video. As you guys can see me, I'm all suited up. I'm actually freezing. I just got back from driving the CRX. I live here in Arkansas where the weather changes like crazy. I think today was the highest was like 43, and I took the CRX out for a drive because it was, a nice sunny day. If you guys don't know, I removed the CRX heater, and that's kind of a downside because I can't really drive it in the cold. And the main reason why I did that was because the main, the little climate control always breaks on these things, and they're freaking expensive to find. So I just said, hey, fuck it, and I just delete the heater and that should be fine. I kind of regret it now, but hey, it is what it is, and still looking clean. So I did take it out for a nice little drive. I was going to drive out to the dam, and I didn't think the GoPro camera wasn't going to record all the way out there, so it kind of died in the midway. And then the worst thing was, when I got out there to the dam, the dam's outlooks were closed. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it's cold or COVID. You don't know what the heck is going on nowadays. Well, guys, I'll let you guys enjoy this little time lapse. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Until next time, peace.